this measure, we've got the T-shape going at the back there. This will have to be split because of the access. Now we have upstands here, but the customer is thinking about either removing them without doing the notches or doing the notches. That's to be confirmed. There's two LED light bars here, which are fairly easy to remove. So take this screw off, put the glass in, and then you put this back, and the same on this one. All you have to do is just pull it. Okay, I'll show you on this side here. So all you have to do is just pull it and it will come out. It's sliding right now. I can't do it with one hand. Yeah, so there's two of them. So take the brackets out, fit the glass, and then you put it back on. Now the customer will confirm either they take the hob out or the extractor fan. Okay, so we can put the glass all the way to the back there, and there's another upstand on this side. So we'll see if we need to do notches. If they remove the upstand, they will want to do notches. Okay, there's going to be like a marble print with a copper sparkle inserts in some of the areas. Okay, and that's pretty much it for me.